What am I? How do I turn this off? We are doing a major purge on toys today. I'm very sad and scared and anxious and going crazy over this, and I'm sure the kids will too. Actually, I don't even think they care. We've tried it for a couple weeks now, and the room just keeps getting tore up, so we have to purge more toys. This is so painful because I actually like the toys that they have right now, but there's just too many. There's not enough organizing, and there's just too many. So we gotta purge. I want like 10 items per child. Let's see if we can do this. It's really hard to determine like what is a toy, what is educational. I'm not counting any of the educational stuff. No books, no stuff like this. Like this was 60 cents on clearance, but we use this for his sticker rewards. So no books. Like, is this a toy? I don't know. Is this a toy? Are baby dolls toys, or are they just loveys, you know? This is not a toy. So this is why it's hard for me to get rid of stuff. But this is a bath book. They rarely use it, and they don't use it in the bath because I think that would be dangerous, like with mold and stuff. So this can go. This can go because although it's smart, it's not as smart. I have 3 of these, okay? This one is not as smart. The second generation dog is not as smart. Wow, who put all these toys in here? I don't even know where any of my stuff is. So this is gonna go, the second generation doll is gonna go, and my friend Sheena sent the newest generation doll of this for Abigail, a girl dog, female dog. It's so smart. It has different levels with it. It's just incredibly smart. So while this is smart, we could get rid of this because the other one's smarter. This is like the first generation, and it's not as smart as the newer one. This is the boy one with the English. They have Hebrew here. I thought about getting the Hebrew one, but Sheena sent one, and it's really, really smart. And I don't know where it is. I think it's actually in the living room being used. So like, how do you, like these are stuffed animals. I'm keeping these. Hadar got this for Raphael as a gift, knowing that we're moving to America. So he got him something small. This is from Yvonne. This is Shopkins French fries. Come on, it's cute and it's really, really, really soft. So, you know, I have to keep things like this because I like it and it was a gift. And I know you don't have to keep gifts, but I like it. Like balls. We'll get rid of this eventually, but I think these are okay to play with. This is a doll outfit. This is a baby toy popper. So we'll probably get rid of that. This book can be used for Abigail. She's saying her letters right now, so this is good for her. I'm not getting rid of this. Not getting rid of this. I'll get rid of this. It takes batteries. I'll get rid of it. This is Kitty's toy. Not getting rid of it. This is a good toy. This Abigail just got. This is a Mr. Potato Head Man that I will put with a Mr. Potato Head Man because you put the little pieces in it and he says, ha 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 ha, it's Elmo. You know, it's fun. This is a toy from McDonald's. Pops off his hat. Don't know where his hat is. How do you get rid of this? These little balls I bought for Abigail. I'll probably just take these outside. This, I have to sew it back. But this is from Darla, and its name is Darla. And this was a gift from like 5 years ago to Raphael, and Raphael gave this to his sister not too long ago. This is very cute, but it's a baby toy. This is cute, but it has bad memories associated with it, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Why? Balls. Balls. This is cute, and I like it, but it's a baby toy. And this is cute. I can't get rid of this. This is a little tie. This is cute. We'll probably get rid of this before we move. But it's cute. It's a top. And it's from Israel. It's a baby book. She's still playing with this. Should I get rid of it if she's still playing with it? Do the right thing. It's not very educational. And this used to be Raphael's. And there's no numbers on it anymore. It's been wore off so much. So you have probably seen this in a lot of videos with Raphael. He had it strapped to his stroller. And it speaks Spanish. Keeping these because they go to a set. Okay, that's it. Look at this. I cleared it out, and I think I got rid of half of the things that were in this bag. Keeping, and I'm probably gonna get rid of this one, even though it's cute. And my mom gave it to my daughter, but I'll save this one because it's cute, and it's smaller. And this is Raphael's You Have to Save Transformers. Saving it. Okay, that's it for the box. Let's put everything back in. Half of this is stuffed animals. Put the balls outside for them to play with. I'll put this with that thing. Okay, it's half of the bag. Half. I halved it. There's the stuff that I'm going to get rid of. Oh my goodness. Okay, I have some more things here. These are little books that are actually cars. My daughter has a hard time playing with it and opening the books. So I'm going to get rid of these right here. Some other little child is going to absolutely love those. So I have some play pieces, and this goes in the kitchen with that set. Play pieces of like food and things. So that's going to go in there. And I have this box of treasures. Most of them are from McDonald's. Some of them are like animals from the Dollar Tree, but they're like a little better quality than the really, really cheap ones. I have the whole set of the Lion King, and they play with these, and I think it's good for imaginative play. You know, making your own story. So I have like all the pieces to this set. And I've got Shrek. This is a little Batman. You know, this is not a McDonald's toy. Pinocchio. We have a lot of Toy Story and stuff in here, and you know, cartoon characters. And we have these dinosaurs. A friend sent these to us. So we have a whole bunch of dinosaurs in here. And I was keeping the dinosaurs separate because I put it with a book. You know, like Montessori learning. Like you could match up the dinosaurs with the book. But my kids kept taking it apart and wouldn't put it back, so I just put them all in this little, we made this treasure box for like an advent calendar activity for Raphael one year, and he decorated it, and all the silver is just like silver tape, and then he put stickers on it. One of them fell off, but he still has this. This is his treasure box, so that has that in it. And I am pretty much done on this side of the room. I have a whole box right here of, this is going to go. This stuff is dress up stuff, and I like imaginative play. I don't want to get rid of that stuff. It's good for them. My son has autism, so anytime that he can use his imagination is a really good thing for him, you know, expressing himself. When you have autism, it's hard. It's difficult to express yourself. So he becomes someone else when he dresses up, and he acts things out, and it's very good for him and his communication. So this, I have a whole box of pretty much, no one plays with this one. I'm not sure why, but we have this one, which is real, so I'll save this one and get rid of the other one. But otherwise, like kaleidoscope, you don't get rid of stuff like that. We have at least 9 more months of living in Israel before we move to America, so I want them to have some toys. Music to me is not a toy. It is life. It shouldn't be considered a toy, in my opinion. It's like a learning thing. And yes, I am a band nerd. Proud of it. My daughter keeps ripping this apart. I love her, but I think she's a little weird. I mean, who does that? And she takes off the clothes all the time, and I really don't want to get rid of this because she loves baby dolls, but I think I'm going to, just because it's a pain in the butt. Hi! So, unfortunately, because I really did like that one. We have a bib here. Bye. that is all for this side of the room. So I've done the clothes already, and I've went through the toys on this side of the room. The other side of the room are my son's toys, and they are pretty well organized, but they're a mess.
It's basically ready to film.
Hi!
And I need to...
Put it on.
I'm going to wash the bathroom out.
Okay. Push it down. Can't get rid of this. Hours of fun, right, Abigail? Woo! Hours of fun. Hours of fun. Woo! It's good for occupational therapy too, because you have to put a little pressure on there to get it. Part 2 is coming, and that's when I go through the other side of the room and destroy lives and get rid of more toys. Stay tuned for weekly cleaning videos and organizing and all that stuff until we move to America. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you were here. Have a great day.